What if some of the smallest piece of wood in your workshop could become some of the most attractive products you sell? Something people are lined up to buy. You don't always need a large piece of timber or a complicated furniture project to create something valuable. Sometimes, a small piece of old wood, a little rope, or a creative idea can become a beautiful piece of home decor. No giant workshop, no huge investment, just small project you can finish in an afternoon. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today, I'm going to show you one of the hottest trends right now: rope hug wall shelf made from old reclaimed wood. They look expensive, they sell fast, and honestly, they are way easier to make than you would think. If you have been wanting to start selling handmade pieces but don't know where to begin, this is your sign. Small projects are actually one of the smartest way to build a little business. Low cost, low effort, but big impact. And right now, nothing is trendy harder than that cozy, rustic look of old wood paired with natural rope. Let's break down exactly why this project works and how you can start making your own today. Let's get into it. Start with the right piece of old wood. The first thing that makes this shelf interesting is the wood itself. Instead of hiding every mark and imperfection, you can sometimes use those natural details as part of the design. Old wood can have beautiful grain, small knocks, weathered texture, and a character that new timber simply doesn't have. But don't use damaged wood just because it looks old. Check it carefully for rotten, insects, dangerous chemicals, loosened piece, or other problems. Once you have found a suitable piece, clean it and remove anything that could cause a problem later. Create a simple floating shelf style design. Now, imagine a small wood platform hanging against the wall. It could hold a tiny plant, a candle, a photograph, small sculpture, or another decorative items. The simpler the shape, the more attention goes to the wood and the rope. This is one of those designs where less can actually look like more. Add rope for a handmade look. Here is where the project becomes even more interesting. Instead of using a traditional looking support, introduce rope. Rope can give the shelf a relaxed, natural, handmade appearance. It works especially well with rustic, farmhouse, coastal, bohemian, and natural home decor style. You can experiment with different rope thickness and color to create completely different looks. Try different rope arrangements. Don't think there is only one way to use rope. You could create a simple hanging loop. You could use two hanging points. You could create a triangular arrangement, or you could design several shelves that hang together as one decorative display. The important thing is to make sure the support system is secured and appropriate for the shelf and its intended load. Make a single mini shelf. Start small. Once a piece of wood, one simple shelf, one attractive rope design. This can become a beautiful little accent piece for a bedroom, living room, office, or interior room. Sometimes a small decorative shelf is exactly what an empty wall needs. Create a two-tier shelf. Once you have tried the single shelf, you can take the idea further. Add a second wooden platform below the first. Now, you have created more display space without taking much wall area. This can be perfect for small plants, candles, small books, or decorative objects. Try a third hanging display. If you want something more eye-catching, create 3 levels. Different heights can create a beautiful visual rhythm. The shelf does not have to be larger. Even impact vertical display can become a focal point when the wood and rope work together. Create a mini plant shelf. Small plants are a perfect match for this type of style. A little wooden shelf can become a home for succulent, small herbs, or other suitable indoor plants. The combination of natural wood, rope, and greenery creates a warm and organic appearance. Just consider moisture carefully so water does not damage the wood and the wall. Create a candle display shelf. Another simple idea is small candle display. Place a candle or suitable LED light on the shelf and let the natural wood becomes part of the decoration. For the real candles, make sure the design keeps flameless and heat safely away from combustible wood and rope. Outdoor rated or indoor rated LED candles can be an easy alternative. Make a small photo shelf. A mini actor wood shelf can also become a place to display photography. And add one or two favorite pictures. Keep the arrangement simple. The shelf itself become part of the decoration rather than just a storage space. Create small kitchen display. These shelves can also work in the kitchen. Use them for small jar herbs, lightweight decorations, or other suitable items. Keep the shelf away from excessive heat, steam, and water. The goal is to add useful storage without making the kitchen feel crowded. Make a bathroom accent shelf. A small shelf can provide a conventional place for lightweight bathroom decoration. Think about small plants, decorative containers, or other items. Because bathroom can be humid, choose suitable wood and protect it appropriately. Experiment with natural edge. If your reclaimed timber has an attractive natural edge, consider making that part of the design. A natural edge can make a small shelf look more organic and distinctive. Each piece can become slightly different. That's one of the benefits of working with reclaimed materials. Combine different wood colors. You can also create contrast by combining different suitable pieces of wood. A dark piece can create a dramatic appearance. A light piece can feel fresh and modern. Mixed wood tone can turn a basic shelf into a more decorative statement. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which countryside you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving friends and family. Let's inspire more people to create beautiful space with their hands. Use dark finishes for a luxury look. If the natural wood does not have the appearance you want, a suitable wood finish can completely change it. Darker tones can create a sophisticated and elegant appearance. Warm natural tones can create a cozy, rustic look. Lighter finishes can create a clean, Scandinavian-inspired feeling. Always choose a finish appropriate for the intended use. Keep the design small. Here is the secret behind miniature woodcraft. Small does not have to mean cheap looking. In fact, a compact product can look very refined when every detail is carefully considered. Smooth edge, clean surface, good proportion, attractive rope, consistent finishing. These details can make a simple object feels more premium. Turn one design into a collection. Once you have a design you like, don't stop at one version. Create several variations: small single shelf, two-tier shelf, three-tier shelf, plant shelf, photo shelf, entryway shelf. Now you have a small collection rather than just one product. Offer different sizes. Different homes have different shapes, so offer different sizes whenever practical. A tiny shelf can work in small apartment. A wider shelf can work above a desk or sofa. A taller hanging display can fill an empty vertical wall. Give customer choice can make your product more adaptable. Personalize the shelves. Personalization can make a simple handmade product feel special. Consider adding a name, initials, a simple message, or another appropriate custom detail. Personalized decor can also make attractive gifts or for birthday, home warming, wedding, or other occasions. Make matching sets. Another smart idea is to create matching sets instead of selling one shelf over a pair, or create 3 matching shelves in different sizes. One of the biggest advantages of miniature projects is material efficiency. Small shelves don't require large amount of timber. That means suitable offcuts can sometimes become useful product instead of ending up unused. But always choose materials based on quality and safety. A cheap piece of wood does not a good bargain if it is not suitable for the project. Keep projects simple. If you are making these products for sale, simplify matters. A design that takes several days to make may be difficult to sell profitably at an affordable price. A simple design that can be repeated consistently may be much easier to produce. Create a basic process. Repeat the wood. Create a basic process. Prepare the wood, smooth it, finish it, prepare the rope, assemble the part, choose the final product, package it. Focus on quality, not just speed. Fast production is useful, but quality should never be sacrificed. Check every shelf before selling it. Make sure the rope connections are secure. Make sure the shelf is stable. Choose for rough edge and loose parts. And clear connection, the appropriate weight limits, and installation requirements. A beautiful product needs to be safe and dependable too. Make the product look expensive. Here is where presentation becomes extremely important. Clean the wood, use good lighting, photograph the shelf in a beautiful home setting, add small plant or decorative objects, show the product from different angles, help customers imagine it on their own wall. The way you present a product can completely change how people preserve it. Create before and after story. You can also make your content more interesting by showing the transformation. Start with an old piece of wood, show the cleaning and preparation, show the rope being added, then reveal the finished shelf. This gives viewers a reason to keep watching because they want to see how the ordinary materials become something beautiful. Make it a suitable product. Reclaimed wood can give your product an interesting story. Instead of allowing suitable old timber to go unused, you can give it another purpose. Explain where the materials came from when you know its history. Customers who appreciate handmade and suitable decor may connect with that story. Think about modern home decor. The combination of old wood and rope can work surprisingly well with modern interiors. The contrast between natural material and clean surrounding can make the shelf stand out. You don't have to make every look extremely rustic. A simple shape and clean finish can give reclaimed wood a contemporary appearance. Built for small homes. Small space living is another reason compact furniture and decor can be attractive. People want storage and decoration without filling every room with large furniture. Small wall-mounted shelves use vertical space while keeping the floor clear. That makes this type of product adaptable to apartments, bedroom, office, hallway, and other compact space. Turn on the idea into a business opportunity. If people respond well to the design, you can experiment with selling it. Start with a small number. See which size and style people prefer. Ask for feedback. Improve the design. Then create more of the version customers actually want. Don't assume that every handmade product will sell simply because it looks good. Test the market first. Sell more than just the shelf. You can also think about how the product is packed. A shelf can be sold as a finished decoration piece, Or you could offer different finishes, rope color, or size. Just make sure any customization is practical and safe. Create a consistent style. If you plan to build a collection, consistency can make your work look more professional. Use similar wooden tone, similar rope style, similar shapes, similar finishes. Now your product starts to look like they belong to the same brand. Remember that small projects can have a big potential. The biggest lesson here is simple. You don't need a giant piece of furniture to create something valuable. A small piece of old wood can become a beautiful piece of decor. A little rope can become part of the design, and a simple idea can become product people want in their home. In the end, so the next time you find a small piece of old wood in your workshop, don't throw it into the scrap pile just yet. Take another look at it. What could it become? Maybe a small wall shelf, maybe plant display, maybe a photo LED, maybe a complete set of matching shelves. The possibilities are much bigger than the piece of wood itself. And remember, expensive looking does not always mean expensive materials. Sometimes it's come from through design, careful finish, good proportion, and attention to small details. If you enjoy this miniature woodworking idea, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more creative woodworking, reclaimed wood projects, homemade decor ideas, and profitable craft inspiration. And tell us in the comments, would you make a small reclaimed wood shelf with rope? What design would you try? Thanks for watching, keep creating, and remember, don't underestimate small piece of wood. They may be hiding your next great idea. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.